Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to remove Google FRP lock on a Samsung device in just a few simple steps. First, open the tool and click Remove Google FRP lock. Next, choose your phone brand, select Samsung, then pick the system version. Here, select Android OS 16. Now, wait for the verification process. The program will automatically download the required driver, so just keep the phone connected and don't unplug it. Once it's ready, simply follow the instructions shown on the screen. Just do exactly what the tool tells you step by step. After that, you'll see the process start. Be patient and wait. This part may take a few minutes, so don't close the program. And that's it. Once it finishes, the Google FRP lock will be successfully removed. Thanks for watching. For more official tutorials and helpful tips, subscribe to the Wondershare Dr.Fone YouTube channel.